Hey there, spa owners. How are you doing? So you're getting the home ready, getting it clean, tip-top shape, but what about your spa or swim spa? Have you spent some time cleaning it? I know it does take a lot of dedication to keep it nice and clean, and we love it, but if you need some help, we can help. Definitely reach out to the service department and sign up for a spa valet. We offer a SOS package, which is a one-time deep cleaning, like, hey, gotta have it clean, family's coming in town or coming to visit to use the spa, or you know what, I'll let you take care of the cleaning. Sign up for a quarterly valet. We offer it both for our spas and swim spas. So on my spa side, I have an SOS package or a quarterly package, and they both include the chemicals you need. So it comes with a bundle included for the right type of hot tub you have, whether it be a chlorine hot tub or a freshwater salt system hot tub, and then or a frog. I didn't forget about my frog people. And then if you're a swim spa customer, we do two packages, the SOS, and then instead of quarterly, we do a 6-month biannual valet, because you only have to drain the water about twice a year on your swim spa. So we have valets to accommodate my spa clients and my swim spa clients. Regardless, both of them include the chemicals you need. They're really great savings and saves you a lot of time and money, so you can get that hot tub or swim spa sparkly clean. All right, guys, hit us up, hit up our service department for some more information to get you hooked up on an awesome valet. Bye, guys.